In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings for your ASUS gaming laptop. So the very first thing you need to do is go and open up the start menu and search for settings and then click on the settings window. In the left hand side, click on gaming, click on game bar and make sure the game bar is turned off and disabled. You can then come back over to the previous window, click on game mode and make sure the game mode is turned on and enabled. You're then going to click on system from the left hand side, click on display, then scroll down to graphics and click on this. Click on advanced graphics settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on and enabled. You're then going to select Windows Update in the left hand side, click on check for updates and just ensure that you're running the latest version of Windows. If there's any updates available, then you'll need to go and install these now. Now finally, we're going to click on privacy and security in the left hand side, scroll all the way down to notifications and click on this. Make sure notification access is turned off and disabled. And then finally, you can close out of this window. Now, the next thing we'll need to do is open up the start menu and then go and load up the Nvidia app. Now, if you don't already have this installed, then just open an internet browser and type in Nvidia app download. Click on this top website here and go and download and install the official Nvidia app. Once you have the application open, click on drivers in the left hand side, click on the drop down arrow and make sure you have game ready driver selected. Click on check for updates and just ensure that you're running the latest driver for your computer. If you see a download button here, go and click on it, and then after it's finished downloading, you can press install, and that's going to ensure that your graphic drivers are fully up to date. Now go and open up the start menu, search for Armoury Crate and click on this application. Now click on home in the top navigation and make sure your operating mode is set to either performance or turbo, and these are both going to offer you the best FPS and performance in game. You can then scroll down on the left hand side and click on game visual. And this is where you can change all of the colors for your games. So if, for example, you're playing a racing game, then you can select racing. If you have a first-person shooter, then go and select FPS. Now this step is really optional, but it's just going to make your games look better visually. Then click on settings in the left-hand side, click on update center, and just make sure all of these different components are fully up to date. So you can see I have some updates here, so I can just press update all. Next step is to open up the start menu, search for adjust the appearance and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. From the drop down arrow, go and select custom and make sure to check the boxes that I have checked here. So that's save taskbar thumbnail previews, show thumbnails instead of icons, and also smooth edges of screen fonts. Everything else you can leave unchecked and then press apply and OK. Now the final step is just to go and open up your start menu, go and search for settings and click on this window, click on apps in the left hand side and then scroll down and click on startup. Now go through this list and disable any applications you don't need starting up when you first turn on your computer. As you can see, I have most of my applications already disabled, and this is really important as these apps will be running in the background and it's going to slow down your computer. Now once you've finished, you can go in, restart your system, and those are the best settings for your ASUS gaming laptop. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.